What is Fauxductivity? The term is not new. It has been around for more than a decade. However, during COVID 19, when everyone was working from home, this term got its second life. Earlier, Fauxductivity meant a phenomena where we feel productive, but really, we are just keeping ourselves busy, like a fancy form of procrastination. So it was a stage between procrastination and productivity. But now it is simply a synonym for fake productivity. Terms such as coffee badging, quiet quitting, and mouse jiggling would all fall under the category of Fauxductivity. Productivity has been one of the top workplace issues, and Fortune 500 CEOs ranked low productivity as their top priority. Interestingly, while 32% of non-manager employees admitted to faking their productivity in one of the survey, 37% of managers engaged in it. And guess how many C-suite executives do it? 38%. It's definitely a serious issue.